Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma fulfilled the wishes of the Eastern Brook Band. Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon has demanded that Khasi language should be included in the 8th schedule. MLA of Nongpok, Merrill Bonds Aim, held a meeting with the officials of the Health Department. Nongpok MLA Merrill Bonds Aim met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and urged to include Nongpok Umden Road on a top priority list. An MP, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon, sent a letter to Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways. The news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today fulfilled the wishes of the Eastern Brook Band, a talented group of visually impaired musicians, by providing them with musical instruments. The Eastern Brook Band, comprising 4 members, has been making waves in the local music scene with their soulful performances despite the challenges posed by their visual impairment. The instruments were handed over to the band members at a special ceremony held at the Chief Minister's residence.
What's your name, all of you, and what instrument you play? As you know, that the Meghalaya grassroots music program was meant to do exactly what it is doing now.
The newly elected VPP MP from Shillong constituency, Ricky A.J. Sinkon, in his speech in the Lok Sabha, has demanded that Khasi language should be included in the 8th schedule to the constitution since it is a rich dialect with an old history. Sinkon, in his late-night speech, said that he wants the day to come when they will all hear him speaking in Khasi language in the August House.
A role in enriching and promoting the culture of my people, especially when we talk of culture, language is one of the important elements. For many years, we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope, with the support of members, that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language.
The MLA of Nongpok constituency, Merrill Bonds Aim, held a review meeting with the official of the Health Department yesterday. Speaking to the media after the review meeting, Aim said in the meeting they have discussed the upgradation of sub-center to primary health center and also to set up sub-center in other villages. He further said he has taken up this issue to ensure that the proposal for the upgradation of Umshaken sub-center to PHC will be taken up this financial year.
Yes, so that small issue we have to take care of that. Once that is done, it's a small issue with the operation theatre complex. Yes, so that small issue we have to take care of that. Once that is done.
With regards to few concern with the department within Nongpok constituency and the Nongpok district as a whole. The first point where we had a review meeting is with regard to the increase of infrastructure and the upgradation of various sub-center to PHC. Point number 1 is that we have reviewed that the upgradation of Umshaken sub-center to PHC should be taken on a priority mode.
Nongpok MLA Merrill Bonds Aim yesterday met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and urged him to include Nongpok Umden Road on a top priority list. Aim said that they expect the work to start soon. Aim said that the Chief Minister assured to expedite whole matter. The first phase of the road from Nongpok to Umden is being funded by the Ministry of Donor at a cost of Rs 52 crore 98 lakh.
surok nang po umben ru de ko we na ki apong san ndri ha ka perthei yang jing ya kli jing kanan bani ong kadon kam yang aku nomik mat dengan budin tagadau pada sing ngalai kendu hi na ka benta ban pentikna ban planning kan de ha top priority list kan de po NEC na NEC tertel po Ministry of Donor banyo ya kejing menjur banyo yang jing penmang tengka kum balamang kata kalong san puar klur kendai pupralak kandri wajar na benta ka fast part ke arko kilometer ke intermediate lane nanong po shomden.
Commissioner and Secretary of the Revenue and Disaster Management, Sanjay Goyal, informed Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday that they held a review meeting as the state prepares for landslide and heavy rains this monsoon season. Talking to media persons, Goyal said the state disaster management team is on high alert as the frequent interaction with the deputy commissioners, who are the chairmen of the respective district disaster management authorities, are being held as the monsoon rainfall lashes Meghalaya.
Minister and the Revenue Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home on the issues of the forthcoming monsoons, which is this monsoon. So we are all prepared. It was a detailed meeting held by all the departmental heads of critical departments like Forest, PWD, PHE, Health. So all those departments which are relevant in terms of the relief operations as well as in terms of taking any activity which relates to either the blockade of the road or any other such event.
Pinky Maring, who won the title of Mrs. World Peace and Beautiful Skin at the Season 2 of Mrs. World International 2024, held at Glamour Gurgaon on June, was welcomed by her Maring clan and her friends on reaching Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, Guwahati. She was also the first winner of Miss Meghalaya in 1998. 500 participants from around the world participated in this contest held at Leela Hotels and Resorts and hosted by Glamour Gurgaon.
Kadok ka for audition ka kadok manta like you know la ka katna anu kami inopen and kalau ka competition group ngandale kasi lebe na do na performance the message kalong very short but the bidon kanu ka jingmu ka jing im jongki what ju pande no e ka jingmu jongki ka dream jongki yale kunu ka pin pen long true ka dream jongki ka jing positive jongki.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Heck yesterday informed that a 32 crore veterinary hospital will soon be constructed at Upper Shillong. In this facility, different kinds of animals will get necessary treatment. The project, which will be constructed under PM Divine project, has been already cleared by the state-level empowered committee. The DPR for the project has been completed and it has been cleared by the state-level empowered committee. There are no land issues since the veterinary department has its own land at 7th Mile on the outskirts of the city.
Now it is there to clear, already clear, I think, the state level empower committee, SLEC empower committee, and the scheme will be proposed from the PM Divine. Once all the formality is completed from the state government, from the planning, and we are going to pursue with the PM Divine Prime Minister Office to get the sanction through for the phase 1, that is for the 32 CR.
Incessant rainfall has led to landslide affecting several districts in the state. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported so far. According to officials, landslides have been observed in multiple areas of Garo Hills region. The affected areas include the Tura to ISBT Road to Rongkhon. Soil erosion has also been reported at Rongkai River. Landslides were also detected at Tak Taki and Bainapara on the Beta Singh to Milim Road in Ampati. As a precautionary measure, authorities have halted the movement of vehicles. The newly elected VPP MP from Shillong constituency, Ricky A.J. Sinkan, yesterday sent a letter to Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Jairam Gadkari and requested him to intervene and take immediate and necessary measures in restoration of National Highway 6 in the state. The villagers of Maoyong village along with the village elders today gathered at the office of Sub-Divisional Officer PWD Nongpok Division expressed their opposition on the condition of the road being damaged by the contractor on the playground development at Paham Berthem village. Led by the headman Matthias Maring, village leaders and accompanied by the villagers met the SDO of PWD Nongpok Division. Maring informed the media that the gathering had a positive outcome as the SDO has assured the villagers that they will renovate the portion of the damaged road.
Puan ngelawan sang negapes ngene kendur yau SDO yang pribadi nopo bat UGI ngele kren merdor kat baik pebak ha kene kesi bat nak yang jong ka department pribadi SDO lokular man pen bah merdor ya kene sorok kini kiji bang ngelamat ha JNT jongi ki sinomoyo publishment.
In a major breakthrough yesterday, North Garo Hills police were able to arrest 3 habitual offenders involved in many dacoity cases in Assam-Meghalaya border. The 3 accused, Sunil Boro, Toti Basumatri and Sahadev Basumatri, which were arrested by the North Garo Hills District Police recently, tried to loot a victim of Rs 80,000 cash, mobile phones and some other valuable material. Due to intense search operation in collaboration with Assam Police and neighboring districts, 3 accused have been arrested along with the 2-wheelers used for the crime, and the efforts are on by the North Garo Hills Police to apprehend other accused. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 23.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature recorded 17.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%. Relative humidity in the evening was 76%. Rainfall recorded today was 5.4 millimeter. The forecast, moderate rain and thunder shower are likely to occur at most places. Well, before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma fulfilled the wishes of the Eastern Brook Band. Dr. Ricky Ajasinkan has demanded that Khasi language should be included in the 8th schedule. MLA of Nongpok, Merrill Bonds Aim, held a meeting with the officials of the Health Department. Nongpok MLA Merrill Bonds Aim met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and urged to include Nongpok Umden Road on the top priority list. And MP Dr. Ricky Ajasinkan sent a letter to Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways. Well, viewers, with that we come to the end of the news for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.